Good morning, guys, from Dubai Air Show. Today I'm going to show you something amazing. The plane behind me, as you can see, is the world's only privately owned BBJ Dreamliner. It is a Boeing 787, a private Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Hello Sam, welcome to Dear Jet. Let me show you our private Dreamliner.
Good morning.
Morning. Welcome aboard Dear Jet private Dreamliner.
Wow, private
Hi,
Dreamliner.
Mr. Sam. Can
Hello.
I take your shoes off?
Take my shoes off.
Yeah, please take a seat.
Okay. Oh, I'm changing into a slipper. Alrighty.
Hi Mr. Sam, you are the VIP guest today. So can I show you the inside of the Dreamliner?
Let's go.
Just follow me.
Oh, so this is not very much like a conventional airplane. You see there's walls and panels in the front, so there's something behind. This is very unusual, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, where I am in a hotel lobby? This is amazing. Can you tell me, am I on the plane?
You are on the plane.
I am on the plane. Okay, I'll follow you for the tour.
This way please.
Because I'm a bit lost, I'm walking into a wall of panels, but showing you, oh my gosh, there's layers on this wall. Okay, further exploring. Good morning, girls.
Good morning. Welcome aboard our private Dreamliner, Mr. Sam.
Thank you very much. I'm very curious.
Let's show you the way.
Thank you. Wow, look at this. This is a flying palace, guys. Unbelievable. The only private Dreamliner in the world. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Sam. Welcome to Dear Jet. I'm Ariel, and the flight attendant here, and I'm the purser. Welcome. This is our main lounge here, and we can have up to 16 passengers here to dining or enjoying themselves here.
I can fully enjoy myself here too. I'm gonna show you guys, look at the sofa here. It's actually like, oh my gosh, the sofa can open. It can be oh my god, I'm so surprised this one.
When we put them together, they can be a very comfortable bed.
I can see cuddle time for the TV. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the TV right behind here. And guys, they have all sort of luxury like chessboard here. I'll show you guys. Play a game, beautiful sculpture, crystal. So Ariel, so I guess guests can actually dine here, right?
Yeah,
Look at
sure.
all this setup here. So you can have actually two full dining table here with about 5 guests sitting on each side, in the air, having dining, just like feeling like home. Very relaxing here.
Do you want to see what will happen to this window shades?
Oh,
I can show
really?
you.
Yes. Show me the window shade.
You can see.
Oh my god. This is unbelievable. Okay, let's turn them down. Look at that.
Totally dark.
I know. I love this plane.
Okay, Mr. Sam, let me show you our private bedroom for our VIP guests, just like you.
Oh, like me? No, I'm an average potato.
This way, please.
All right, let's go.
This way, please.
Thank you. Oh, it's behind this door.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
please.
Okay. Oh my god, what a luxury bedroom. My initial thought it would be just like a hotel room here. There's no window, you cannot see anything, it's just like fully privacy. It's like a, anything like a super king size hotel bedroom. Amazing.
And I want want to show you our big TV here behind the base door.
Oh, very nice. So this is huge.
Comfortable?
How many people here? Can I party here? This is a
Yeah.
high life. This is the truly luxury life. This is amazing, guys.
Sure.
All right.
Hello, Mr. Sam. Let's continue our tour here.
Sure, let's go.
In this area, we also have 18 full flat seats here for our guests.
Okay, great. Full
After
flat
you
seats.
have a rest, we can put this up.
Okay, there's some privacy.
Yeah,
And these are like a conventional first class seat on an airline.
yeah.
But they are
that's
still full flat seats. Pretty darn good. So guys, this is the high life on the private Dreamliner. The only one private Dreamliner in the sky belongs to Learjet. It's open for charter and this is fantastic.
Hi. Thank you for flying with us.
It's a pleasure, thank you. See you, bye.